This is a video for stabilized whipped cream. It's really easy to make. This is just one method. It involves, obviously, heavy cream, which is really cold from the fridge, icing sugar. This is a cup of heavy cream. A quarter cup of icing sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and this is the secret ingredient, half a tablespoon of instant vanilla pudding mix. So you just start by adding your icing sugar into the bowl of a stand mixer. So you put that in, and then you add your vanilla extract. And then you just pour in your cold heavy cream. And last, you sprinkle on the vanilla pudding mix. Then I use the whisk attachment to just stir that by hand at first, just so it's all well mixed. And then I attach it. And I mix it on medium-high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes. Or until it starts to look thick. So at this point you can see that it looks really thick, and that's sort of what you're looking for. You just have to mix it around. It's a nice stable cream. You can use it for piping or to frost cakes. Then once it's chilled in the fridge, it'll be even thicker.